how to convert SVG to and from other formats in Pixillion. Add your files to Pixillion, then select the ones you want to convert. Choose SVG in the Convert to File dropdown and click Convert. Continue watching this tutorial for additional details on how to convert to and from SVG in Pixillion. Start by adding your files to Pixillion. You can drag and drop them into the program window, or click Add Files to browse and select them manually. Select the files you want to convert by clicking Select All to highlight everything in the list, or hold the Ctrl key while selecting individual files. Open the Convert to File drop-down menu and choose SVG as the output format. If you're converting from SVG to another format, add your SVG files and select the desired output format instead. Click Set Output Folder to choose where the converted files will be saved. To customize the SVG output, click Compression Settings and select a conversion method. Choose Embed Image to preserve the original appearance of photos, Outline Vectorization to create a simple black and white outline with a smaller file size, Full Vectorization to convert the image into smooth vector shapes with adjustable detail and smoothness settings, or Vector Art to create a stylized, scalable graphic. Click Save to apply your settings. When everything is ready, click Convert to start the conversion process. Once the conversion is complete, click Open Output Folder to view your converted files. For more Pixillion tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.